Hello, in this video I want to show you all available screen of gestures on Realme 12 Plus. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, scroll all the way down and enter additional settings. Right here you can find gestures and motions and there's screen of gestures tab. Make sure that they are enabled, and then you can find double tap to wake or turn off screen, draw O to open camera, draw V to turn on and off a flashlight, and music control. So it works like this. We need to lock our phone, double tap to wake or lock your phone, draw O to open camera, draw V to enable or disable the flashlight, and music control is arrow to the right to play next track, arrow to the left to play previous track, and draw the pause button to play or pause music. Now the rest of the motion gestures are more, and here we have draw arrow up, M and W. So they work the same way. You pick one of the options and select one of the actions that you want to assign for that gesture. Then you draw it on your locked screen and it will perform one of the actions that you assigned. In this case, it should open Google Chrome. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.